this concept of cultism is such a foreign and liberal concept. Because Obono Kiganu Zibu, Igbo Sigina, Akakuta Obalona, you are not getting any value. And that's the truth. You are not going to get any recognition until you earn it. So don't think that because you belong in anything, now Ayabia Bunyegi because of your association, you will be a floor member until the matter value. Because why diamonds we don't go through pressure to come they mix with coal? We just start in journey. Yeah? So that concept, the entire thing is a liberal concept of now if on your or me anything we want to do. The reality is even those when they come they do that liberal thing now, should they tell those people now where they talk may they allow all the illegal immigrants may they come inside America. Should they tell them may they come leave them, may they come live for their house, they agree. So no go join anything because you feel say they go fly you out, may go chill with somebody or whatever. That is cap. You go see Aka Kuto Balona, Matakwacha ko Sulog and Alien. Okay, you see a day for coming yesterday. Be Lord now come the right will be blessed will be. You know what I'm saying? Until you create value, until you put that value for yourself, you ain't shit. No matter where you belong. Yes, you will carry gun, define who you go off or ask. While those big men now, their children, they chill. Like they don't even send you like that. No, they don't really send you. Get money. If you must belong in a group, if you must. Like nothing like standing on your own. Guinea is you know what I'm saying? Nothing like that. And like, if you must be in some form of group, social group or whatever, get your value first, get your money up. Make you know they carry chair for meeting.
I didn't know your boundaries, bro. If you never said it, I wish we did different. My bros is what the song is. Yeah, too much water under the bridge in the millie. Before I still I shout you out, my jiggy. To disembark the ship we had was silly.